Hey guys, here we have Hyundai Accent 2014 diesel. As you can see that this one has the CRDI 16 valve 1.6 liter engine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to change your air filter, which is here. So this is where the air filter resides. So you can open it with locking these two tabs over here, just like so. This one, and to access this one, you have to lift this box, or rather, you can remove this one first. Yeah, as you can see, the air filter is there, so I'll just take it out first. Alright, since we have removed it already, this one is the previous air filter. So as you can see, there's all kinds of dirt and crud, because this air filter filters all the ones that going through the airflow sensor, which leads going to the engine. This part is really integral for the engine, because it's it it takes on air, which is then sensed by the airflow sensor, and then from the airflow sensors it sends signals to the computer, so that it will know how it will adjust the air to fuel ratio in your engine. I'm really not kind of that in-depth technical with this, so bear with me. So if ever I'm wrong, kindly put it on the comments down below. So this is the old one, and then this is the new one. First, I really have to like to compare it. It really fits one there. So as you can see, there it fits. And then placing it again on here on the air filter box. Just lift this and then just slide it in there. Once it's in, we can just check if it's really snug or it really sits in place, and then we can just close this so it's tightly secure. There, and so there are tabs over here which it slits into. See, okay, and then make sure it has no gaps. Would really like to double check it first again before I really slide it into. Slide it down there, push it down here, and then lock it in place. So there we have changed the air filter for the engine cab. Hey guys, next up is changing the air filter, which we can see the air filter is over right here. So first we have to open this one. So we've already opened the glove box. So the air filter for the cabin is located deep inside here. So what we can do is, since it's locked, we can just adjust these tabs. There, then there. And then you can just pull it. So, and this one like so. And also there's a tension, I'm not sure what it's called. It's a tension something, which really holds it down in place. You can just pull it and then it releases it so that it will really open fully. And off it comes. Here we have access for the air filter. As you can see, this one is the fan, I think. You can just open this one with pushing these two tabs and then pulling, and then on the other side here, just push these two and then pull it, and then we just slide off. Okay, let's pull this air filter out. As you can see, there's many cruds and dirts. And then always please pay attention to the arrow down, so it means that the airflow is going down. So as you can see here, it gets the air from the top, which is from the outside, and then it goes right in here to your fan. I really can't push my camera back there, but yeah, dusty places. So let's have a comparison with the air filter and let's see. Okay, so here is a comparison of it. So this one is the clean one. Got some dirt on there because I've touched it. So as you can see, this is the air filter. It has all the cruds and then the dirt, dust, pollen. So that's basically what the air filter does. It protects us from the harmful or any allergens from the outside, which comes into the air in which it uses for recirculation. So let's change it now. So out with the old and in with the new. Yep, and placing the air filter, you can't really put it like this, so because it's not snug. So most likely you have to put it like here as the earlier one, so it will just fit on the grooves back there. And then always pay attention for these indicators, so that the air is going down, so it really filters that well. And then we can just put in this one, the cover, so it really just slides up. Slides up like so, and then we just have to center it. Please bear with me. Okay, so now once we have already placed it in, you can just push the tabs here. There we it locks on the other side, and then it locks. Then the same process, or the reverse process, when putting the glove compartment back. Remember to pull this one and then push this one up, and then on the side there's the tab which you push through. So there you can see the tab. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Have a great day all.